Dan Hallett, the chairman of the Dragons Official Supporters Club, stressed the importance of making the WRU aware of supporters' dissatisfaction. We will keep these protests going until the end of October, when we potentially could have the decision, he told the BBC. Hallett emphasised that fans are not just casual observers but long-term standing supporters, some following the Dragons and Scarlets for decades. He also questioned the figures behind the two-team model, pointing to what he described as years of chronic mismanagement by the WRU, including poor investment choices and a lack of accountability. Fan forums have shown little appetite for an East Wales franchise. Many supporters indicated they would rather watch community clubs to travel to see games across the Severn Bridge or stop financially supporting Welsh Rugby altogether.
Every journey has various points at which the ship starts to turn a little bit, and certainly everybody here is motivated towards a different future than the recent past that we've had. Steve is a really important part of that strategy. He isn't the strategy, he's a key part of it, but all of us here are about building the systems and the process and the ecosystem around Welsh Rugby that creates sustainable success, not just short-term success.
The WRU has acknowledged the challenges posed by the proposals. Director of Rugby Dave Reddin suggested that feedback is being taken seriously, noting, "I don't want to get ahead of myself or take any shortcuts, but I can confidently say that our thinking is changing in positive ways as we progress." The debate has sparked wider discussions about the future of Welsh rugby. With the consultation period ongoing, the outcome will significantly influence the structure of the sport in Wales, potentially reshaping the identity and support base of the professional game. Fans remain resolute, determined that their voices will be heard before any final decisions are made.